Zippy, Leo, Maya, Professor Paws, and I are going to learn about shapes today. Get ready to explore a world full of geometry.
Whoosh! Look at this round object. It is a circle. Circles have no corners and roll smoothly across the floor like a ball. Boing!
This shape has 4 equal sides. It is a square. Maya is holding a square box that looks exactly like a gift. Bing!
3 sides make this sharp shape. It is a triangle. Professor Paws points to the roof of our playhouse with his wing.
This shape has 2 long and 2 short sides. It is a rectangle. Our big window shows the garden outside so clearly. Click!
5 points make this bright shape. It is a star. Zippy is projecting a glowing star onto the wall for us all.
Tss. This shape shows love and kindness. It is a heart. Maya is drawing a big pink heart on the drawing board now. Swoosh!
An oval looks like a stretched circle. It is an oval. Leo is gently sniffing an egg which has this smooth shape. Count the 6 sides on this shape. It is a hexagon. Professor Paws shows us a honeycomb pattern from a busy beehive. Zzz.
We learned so many cool shapes together. Friends, please subscribe and ring the bell icon. See you soon. Bye-bye, everyone. Keep learning.